There's an awful lot of wind today. Left my freaking lights on again. And I've had this Dewalt charger, jump starter and tire inflator for a few months. I used it one time for someone else's car. Thought it was a good tool to use. I have a 2012 TDI, sorry, Golf TDI. And the freaking thing will not start this car. I always try to wait for all the lights to go off. It's a diesel, it's got glow plugs and shit like that. And it... What's the point of having the thing if you can't jump a dead battery? I got nothing.